Did you know that the secret to a perfect rainbow lies in your fingertips? Imagine the power of creating a seamless spectrum of colors with just a gentle touch. This hidden gem of a technique can elevate your art from ordinary to extraordinary, making your creations truly captivating. Many artists struggle with harsh color transitions, turning their relaxing coloring sessions into frustrating experiences. The abrupt shifts in hues can disrupt the flow and harmony of your artwork, leaving you feeling dissatisfied. Solving this issue is crucial to maintaining the joy and tranquility that coloring is meant to bring. But what if I told you there's a simple technique that can transform your coloring from amateur to professional in minutes? This method is not only easy to learn, but also incredibly effective, sparking curiosity and excitement. Get ready to discover how you can effortlessly blend colors like a pro. First, choose two adjacent colors and apply them side by side, leaving a small gap. This is where the magic happens. The anticipation builds as you prepare to merge these colors into a harmonious blend. This step sets the stage for a beautiful transformation that's about to unfold. Next, use your finger to gently blend the colors in circular motions, watching as they seamlessly merge into a beautiful gradient. Feel the suspense as the colors begin to dance and intertwine, creating a mesmerizing effect. This simple action holds the key to unlocking a world of vibrant possibilities. As you master this technique, you'll create stunning, professional-looking artwork that brings a sense of calm and accomplishment to your coloring sessions. The satisfaction of seeing your art evolve into something breathtaking is unparalleled. Embrace this newfound skill and let it transform your creative journey. Like if this helped you, comment if you agree, and follow for more insights on enhancing your artistic skills. Share this video with fellow artists who might need a touch of magic in their coloring sessions. Let's spread the joy of creating beautiful rainbows together.